If you are looking to insert one Word document into another Word document but not sure how, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to insert one Word document to another. To begin, we have created two Word documents on the desktop, named as Document 1 and Document 2. Let's open it and see what's inside. Document 1 contains a single line that says, "Hello, this is doc number 1. Now, let's take a look at Document 2, which has another line that reads, "Hello, this is document number 2. So what we need to do is, to insert the content from document 2 into document 1, first, we need to open the document where you want to insert the other file. Next, click on the Insert tab in the menu bar. From there, look for the text group. You'll notice options like pages, tables, illustrations, and add-ins. Just beside headers and footers, you'll find the text section. Within this group, you'll see a small down arrow next to the object. Click on it, then choose Text from File. A window will open where you can browse and select the second Word document. We'll select document 2 from the desktop. Now, you can see that the content from document 2 has been successfully added to document 1. And that's how you insert one Word document into another. And you can continue to format your document as needed. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.